Vinca plant is an extremely easy to care plant. By just following a few easy things, you can get a lot of flowers on your Vinca, and in this video we will talk about these same Vinca plant growing and caring tips. So just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in Vinca plant care is its growing season. If you understand the growing season of Vinca plant, you have already done half of the work. The growing season of Vinca plant starts as the springs start. The warm temperature of spring season works as healing and growing. At this time, you can grow them from seeds. They are very easy to grow. Within a few days, the seedlings will appear and they will continue growing in whole summers. Vinca's growing season ends as the summer ends. Winter season is very unideal for Vinca plant. It turns its all leaves yellow and drop them. In severe temperature drop, the plant can die too. But if you keep it indoors somewhere a little warm, that will keep the plant alive. It will grow again in springs and summers. You can also buy Vinca plants or seedlings from a local nursery in spring days. Another important thing to healthily grow Vinca plant at home is the soil media. In a good, well-draining and soft soil media, Vinca plant tends to grow very fast and healthily. Very less problems appear. It fights off the diseases on its own. Buds and flowers grow fully and vibrantly. So just use a good soil media that drains the extra moisture very efficiently, and it's also a little bit loose. Hard and compact mixture limits the growth of roots and hence less flowers. Mixing some sand in our mixture can do a lot of good. For making a perfect soil media for Vinca plant at home, you can follow a short guide from the description below. One important Vinca plant growing tip is the ideal spot. When you place a plant in an ideal spot, it grows really fast, blooms well, have a stronger immune system and much more. An ideal spot simply means an area with ideal environment like ideal temperature and humidity. Vinca plant is a summer's flowering plant. It grows really well in a sunny spot. If your plant is big and fully mature, you can provide it 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight daily. For seedlings or a younger plant, choose an area with 1 to 2 hours of direct sunlight daily. This will keep the plant very much growing. Most importantly, Vinca flowers grow really well in sunlight. So make sure of a sunny spot and do subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Another thing you can do to promote a lot of flowers on Vinca plant is the pruning. Tropical area plants like Vinca gets a lot of benefits from pruning. Timely pruning keeps the plant in shape, make it bushier, main trunk gets thicker, leaves grow green and healthily, more buds grow, flowers grow fully with a vibrant shade of colors. But pruning a Vinca plant in a proper way is also important. Use a sharp cutter, cut the branches that are going long and leggy. If there are none, then chop off the growing heads of all shoots around 1 inch. Do this only when the plant is showing new growth, especially in the growing season. Never do the pruning in winters. One important thing that you shouldn't miss is the fertilizing. Vinca plant is a low to moderate feeder, requires fertilizer every once in a while. No fertilizing will result into lesser growth and blooming. Even the plant can die, so just use a good fertilizer once a month. You can use this homemade flower fertilizer. It's easy to make and it promotes flowers on a plant. Video on this is added in the description below. It works the best, but you can also use any other fertilizer like cow dung, compost, etc. Following these simple care tips will keep your Vinca plants very much growing and blooming. Just keep an eye on common issues of Vinca plant. First, yellow leaves are common. They could be due to several reasons. You can learn about that from the description box guide. Pests are rare in Vinca plants, but if they appear, you can just use Neem spray. This will keep all pests away. Video on Neem is linked here if you like to follow, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.